so I invite you to take a few moments with me now. And allow yourself to arrive fully here in this moment. Bringing your awareness to your breath as you inhale, as you exhale. Knowing your body, sensing your body. Being right here, right now, in this present moment. And I invite you to notice that in this moment, nothing needs to be earned, achieved, or proven. We can all share in this breath together, this one breath. Just take a moment to imagine each one of these powers as a quiet inner light. It's already alive. It's already glowing. It waits simply for attention, for us to notice and to activate. And so something within you might be calling you towards one area of your life that you would like to bring to light today. Allow yourself to notice which one of those speaks highest to you. There's no right answer here. There's no right experience, just yours. You get to choose. Remember, this is not about striving. This is about allowing. It's about giving permission for ourselves to lead our best life. We're not calling something towards us. We're remembering what is already true. And I invite you that whatever words I've spoken today feel strong, receive them. If they feel distant, let them rest. Trust that Spirit knows how to awaken what is ready, gently and perfectly. This is not about becoming something new. This is about enlivening what's already in us. So we'll take a few moments here in the silence to bring that to our attention. And so I invite you to place a hand on your heart space. Take a nice deep breath in. Let that go. Get a sense of this shared space together, of all these beautiful souls here gathered, willing to aim for a life of love and light and peace. And at your own space or time, you can open your eyes and bring yourself back to this room.